Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your Microsoft email, password, and a phone or authenticator app for verification. Once connected to a stable network, open Settings and go to Accounts. Make sure you choose Sign In with a Microsoft account rather than a local account so settings will sync. Enter your email, then your password, and complete any two-factor prompts. If you see an option to create a PIN, set one now. It speeds future sign-ins and ties your device to the account. Once signed in, you move to Configuration. Open Accounts right arrow sync your settings and choose what to sync. You want themes, passwords, and edge data if you use those services. Next, set up Windows Hello or a PIN for faster authentication. This also improves device security. Enable two-factor authentication from your Microsoft security settings and add a recovery email and phone number to prevent lockout. Make sure recovery details are current, because they are the fastest way to regain access. To finish, confirm OneDrive is running and select Desktop, Documents, or Pictures to back up so your files sync across devices. If you have Microsoft 365, sign into Office apps to activate subscription features. Install any store apps you use and run Windows Update to apply security patches. Then test by signing out and back in to confirm settings and sync behave as expected. If you get errors, try removing the account and re-adding it. That fixes most token or sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.